Hey, Rat Trap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Now, if you're gonna have a older 70s, 80s car, it's possible you're gonna have some that have some tin on it. Like, for example, maybe this little piece. And finding this on eBay is possible, but it might be really expensive. So you might want to actually just refurbish the pieces you have. The problem is, when you take these off, you have these clips, and you'll see that these clips are really in bad shape. They're bent, they're stripped out, and they're all rusted. So what I want to do is find some clips. I dare you to find these on eBay or anywhere else on the internet, because I cannot. I can find universal clips, but I cannot find clips for this piece. So what I'm going to do is show you how to quickly and easily, without a welder or anything, fabricate clips for clip-on molding for a 70s, 80s, 60s, anything that's got molding that screws on like this. Rat Trap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. So basically, I've taken the clips out of one side and fabricated them already for one, and I'll show you how to do it for this too. But basically, what you're going to do is take a piece of 20 gauge sheet metal, cut it out to fit. You're going to take a machine screw and some sort of lock washer, and you're just simply going to tighten that on to this, put it inside, and rock and roll. So, without further ado, I'll show you how I did that. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one because this is the hardest one to make. At the factory, they crimp them so that these pieces don't move, or this one wasn't supposed to move. It did move, but they crimp them. So you're going to need to take a screwdriver and gently pry that crimp up so that you can get that piece out. So that's what I did here. And then you'll see that there's a gap where this flange is cut out, and that's so you can slide it out. So now I have the template, and all I'm going to do is very roughly, I'm going to cut this piece. I'm just going to make some quick marks. I'm going to leave myself extra. I'm going to cut that out with the snips. I should have roughly the size I need. I'm going to shape it with the bench grinder. I have to get all of these bends roughly the same. So I'm just going to make a quick easy mark that says about here is where I want to bend it. Okay, so I'm going to put my piece right here. Just using my fingers, I'm roughly going to just match up that angle. My second bend is going to be about here. So I'm coming up like that. That's about what I'm looking at. So I got that piece on there roughly where I want it, and about right there. Boom. Line it up. Those marks. And match that angle. Looks about right. Put my mark, and that's where I'm going to put that machine screw. So it looks like it's going to fit. I'm going to put it in that gap. Put this side in first. See if it fits right there. Looks pretty good. I'm ready to put that machine screw on. All this is a machine screw with a lock washer on one side. This happens to be 9/32 nut there. Screw it on there. Make sure it's nice and tight. And there's my first one. Boom. Rat Trap Productions, we show you how to do stuff today. What it is, I showed you how to make yourself clips for external body moldings for a 70s, 60s, 50s, 80s, whatever car where you just can't find the part.